Here we are, back out in Wellesley, and the same phrase holds true. It's all good in Wellesley. There are no more premium build lots available as they're all sold out. So that means we're left with resale homes. Well, that's actually a positive in this case because I have an absolutely premium build for you that was built with such thought. It's like they had a window into the future as to what people wanted. It was all planned perfectly. How did they know? You'll see. 126 Schweitzer. Yes, this is an absolute stunner. From its all brick, stucco, and stone exterior to the inside, this place was all planned perfectly. It's like, how'd they know? With such a grand impression at the front, it's not surprising that it transitions seamlessly into this grand front foyer and great room. All planned perfectly. In such grand spaces, you know that you're going to have a grand formal dining room that has two ways into the massive oversized kitchen with tons of custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliance set, plus this great work island as well. We do not want to forget about the natural gas stove, plus the open and bright breakfast area. And these full spaces move perfectly into the family room with natural gas fireplace, looking out through custom California shutters to your one-of-a-kind backyard. Plus, it moves straight into this butler's pantry with wet bar. How'd they know? Really, 10 years ago, did they know everybody was going to be working from a home office? It's all planned perfectly. Need a secondary route inside / down to the basement? You'll find it here in the fantastic mudroom / laundry room. How'd they know? Great thought was put into this design, as I think you are noticing right now. And all the light that flows through these spaces are sure to be enjoyed by yourself, your family, and many guests for many years to come. Come see what's left on the top floor. With thoughtful stylistic points, reminiscent of a grand hotel, the upper hallway leads through French doors into the master suite with its gorgeous glass block detail. So why the glass block? Well, why not let all the light shine through? But some people, can be a little bit bashful because it's like 90% opaque. Three more large bedrooms upstairs that all have access to a bathroom, whether it's the Jack and Jill or the secondary ensuite in the nanny's quarters. And how'd they know that even today the backyard was going to look so fantastic? From the modern horizontal slat fencing to the built-in pergola with louvered shades to the fantastic swim spa, which is overlooked upon by the deck, which is perfectly faced west to catch that afternoon sun. It's planned perfectly. How'd they know? 126 Schweitzer. It was planned perfectly. I think you should make a plan for you and your family. I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.